Well, this is a 2003 Yamaha 125 TTR. Doesn't have an oil filter, but it does have a screen on the right side. Got to take off the cover where the dipstick is. The bolts here are different sizes, got to keep them track. You either got to pull the pin here to get the brake down, or the back to get the cover off. And the screen's right here. It's shaped as a triangle, so it can only go in one way. Can't put it wrong. Usually they're not dirty, but you can check them. A lot of work to check it. This one wasn't that dirty, but that's how you do that.